Behold Adam's hand, a masterpiece's touch. Join me on a journey throughout art and narrative. Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we embark on a journey into the intricate world of realistic hand drawing. As we delve into the details of crafting lifelike hands on paper, let me share a fascinating story that intertwines with the very essence of this art. Now let me share a captivating anecdote about the renowned artist Michelangelo. Michelangelo was this amazing artist from way back in the Renaissance. One of his coolest works is on the ceiling of the Sistine Chapel, where he painted this famous scene called the creation of Adam. In that painting, he has paid special attention to the hands. There is God's hand and there is Adam's hand, and they're super close but not quite touching. Michelangelo made his hands look surreal, with muscles and all, to show the moment when God gives life to Adam. It's like this powerful magical touch. But it's not just about making them look real. Michelangelo wanted you to feel something. The hands tell a story about connection, about life, about something bigger than ourselves. And it's not just in that painting. Look at Michelangelo's other stuff too. The sculptures, the drawing. He loved drawing hands, putting in all the little details. Veins, tendons, and everything. Those hands become like a language, speaking about feelings and emotions. So when you see Michelangelo's hands, think of them as more than just hands. They are like messengers, telling us about life, creation, and the connection between us and something divine. It's pretty cool when you think about it. Now you embark on your artistic journey. Consider the symbolic power that hands hold across cultures. For example, in Japanese art, the hand language expresses emotions, while in Western art, hands often convey personality and character. So as you sketch your own hand today, remember the centuries of stories and emotions encapsulated in this timeless art. Embrace the connection between your creative spirit and the rich history that hands as artistic instruments have woven throughout time. Happy drawing!